Chicken wontons recipe. Onion, lime, garlic, ginger, green chili. Chop them well. Boneless chicken. Making chicken keema. Chicken keema. Mix all together. Butter. Salt. Vinegar. Soy sauce. Black pepper. Lime. White pepper optional. Sugar. Mix well. Rest for 20 minutes. Flour/maida. Corn flour. Salt. Refined oil.
Life's all about balance, and
make a proper dough.
Practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose.
Keep aside.
Reciprocate the feeling. Find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy. Everything's peachy. Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
Plating.
Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality.
Thanks for watching.
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Like and subscribe.